Welcome back to AVM Behringer WING tutorial. So in this episode, I will teach you how to upgrade the firmware of Behringer WING. So first step, let's us to check the firmware of this console. We need to go to setup. So it's available here. If you can see, this is firmware 1.01.2. So this is the latest firmware now. So I will show you how to update the firmware. First, let's go to download the latest firmware from Behringer website. Okay, let's go to Behringer. Okay, this is the Behringer WING. So we go to the download section. When we scroll down, you can see the Behringer firmware 1.01. You can download from here, like clicking this arrow, agree on a term, and press download. Once you finish download, you can double click on the zip file. There's a user manual there. You can have a read if you want, or you can follow this video guide to update the firmware. Okay, in order to update the firmware, so first we go to access setup. Under this global edit, press this, then we can press this OS access. So once you confirm it, the PC will detect the Behringer WING as a USB disk, something like hard disk and pen drive. So I will show you. Confirm. And you can see it's detected as a USB drive. So what we can do is we just drag and drop this file inside. Meanwhile, this one we can move out, or you can create a separate folder. Maybe it's called old firmware. So once done, cancel. Back to here and press this, confirm. Done. Shut down. Power cycle. And this should be updated the firmware. We will double confirm whether it's really updated, or in this case it's downgrade. So under setup, as you can see, it's 1.01. The firmware is 1.01. So this is the firmware for the WING. So this is how we update the firmware of Behringer WING. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in next tutorial.